Oh my God. I think the operator doesn't have enough experience to pull this tractor. God just handed him a warning ticket. Message received. Maybe it's time to hang up those tractor keys. Look at this crazy tractor. Thankfully, it's attached to another tractor with a rope. Circus artist behind the wheel. That performance deserves a standing ovation. I bet you've never seen a tractor moving at high speed without a driver. Let me show you one. Next time, don't pull stunts like that. Period. Keep moving or kiss the ground. Stop means fall. The veterans know this in their bones. Unloading gone wrong. So wrong, nobody will believe you when you tell it. But the scars? Those are proof. Steel meets stubbornness. Jeep vs. C330 Ursus in a tug of war that rattles bones. American grit or Polish torque? Place your bets. A tractor in these hands? That's not operation. That's abuse. Amateur hour at its finest. No skills, no clue, no surprise when it all fell apart. I saw this disaster coming from a mile away. tricky slopes, wild orchard chaos, you're gonna need more than hope. Guadalia River claimed another victim. One moment it's rolling, the next, water's swallowing it whole. That's the moment nobody wants to see. Fewer passes, less fuel, more results. This is how professionals separate themselves from amateurs.
Spreadnie.
Two days stuck, multiple failed attempts, zero profit, just misery and wasted time. Now they're bringing out the big guns, every ounce of force the owner can scrape together. Water crossing gone wrong. Engine still running, smart move, or it would have drowned. But the rescue, painfully slow. Scheming instead of pulling. Nobody rushed, nobody cared. Russian winter roads don't forgive mistakes. This tractor learned the hard way. They dragged it out like it was trying to escape prison. Brutal. Beautiful. That's winter. Quicksand in tractor form. Every move dragged her deeper. Shane and a neighbor with chains became her lifeline. Lesson learned. Some days the farm wins. John Deere power isn't hype, it's fact. Never underestimate green steel.